How to fix XP Pen no signal. First, check all cable connections. This fixes the problem most of the time. For XP Pen displays with a 3-in-1 cable, HDMI goes into your GPU or graphics card, black USB goes into the PC, and the red USB goes to the wall charger or USB port, which is just extra power. A wrong cable setup means that there's no signal. Also, make sure you plug the HDMI into the graphics card and not the motherboard. Second, make sure the tablet actually has power. Look for blue power light, XP Pen logo appearing briefly. If there's no light, reconnect red USB power cable, try another USB port, or try wall power adapter. Third, press Windows and P at the same time. Then choose duplicate or extend. Do not choose PC screen only. This is one of the biggest fixes for no signal. Fourth, reinstall the XP Pen drivers. Download the official drivers following this link. Uninstall the old XP Pen drivers, restart the computer, install newest driver, and then restart again. Some users reported restarting before connecting helps a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.